Why did Acorns charge me $3? Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about something that a lot of you have been asking me about recently. Why did Acorns charge me $3? I know that this can be a confusing and frustrating experience, so I wanted to take some time to explain what's going on. First, let's start with the basics. Acorns is a micro-investing app that allows you to automatically invest small amounts of money each day. It's a great way to save money for the future, and it's easy to use. One of the things that Acorns does is to round up your purchases to the nearest dollar and invest the difference. For example, if you spend $6.75 at the grocery store, Acorns will round it up to $7 and invest the extra 25 cents. So, why did Acorns charge me $3? There are a few possible reasons for this. One possibility is that you signed up for a premium subscription. Acorns offers a number of different subscription plans, including a free plan and a paid plan. If you signed up for a paid plan, you will be charged a monthly fee. Another possibility is that you made a withdrawal. If you withdrew money from your Acorns account, you may have been charged a fee. Finally, it's possible that there was a technical error. Acorns is a relatively new company, and there may be occasional technical glitches. If you're not sure why you were charged $3, you can contact Acorns customer support for more information. How to avoid being charged $3 by Acorns. There are a few things you can do to avoid being charged $3 by Acorns. Choose the free plan. If you're not sure if you want to pay for a premium subscription, you can start with the free plan. Be careful when making withdrawals. If you need to withdraw money from your Acorns account, be sure to read the terms and conditions carefully. Monitor your account regularly. If you see any charges that you don't recognize, contact Acorns customer support immediately. In conclusion, I hope this explanation has helped you understand why Acorns charged you $3. If you have any other questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. And with that, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Additional tips. Consider using a different micro-investing app. There are a number of other micro-investing apps available, some of which may offer lower fees than Acorns. Be aware of the fees associated with your investment account. In addition to the fees charged by Acorns, you may also be charged fees by your investment broker. Do your research before investing. It's important to understand the risks and rewards of investing before you start. I hope this information is helpful. Thanks for reading.